Hello student, welcome all of you. This is lecture for BSc second year student. BSc second year student and paper is ring theory. Ring theory. Paper number is 10th. Paper number is 10. So in last lecture we have discussed some examples of ring. Now today we are introducing a very interesting types of ring, examples of ring, and that is integer modulo ring. So to approach this concept, we take one example, and that is, see here, example, the set R equal to the set R is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are elements of the set R is equal to this. So this is a commutative ring. This is a commutative ring with respect to addition modulo 6 and multiplication modulo 6. Addition modulo 6 and multiplication modulo 6 as the two binary operation. That means R with the set with this binary operation plus modulo 6 and multiplication modulo 6. This ring form, that means this set form group. This set form a ring. So dear student, as we have proved in groups, we should first prove that R is in the abelian group with respect to plus 6. That means integer modulo 6. So in group theory we have already discussed R with respect to plus 6 is a group. Not only group, it is abelian group also. And we also show that this is a group, that means conditions, multiplicative, associative, closure with respect to multiplication. We have to show that these are all properties. But students, we know that we can decide whether the ring, whether the set is a ring or group. We can decide by using the one composite table. So I am going to draw composite table. It's very beneficial. So in composite table, we know that R plus is an abelian, no doubt. R plus is an abelian. So you can draw here that means table for this with respect to plus, with respect to multiplication. So which elements are there? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So firstly we have to discuss on this modulo plus 6. Now 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, 0 plus 2 is 2, 0 plus 3 is 3, 0 plus 4 is 4, 0 plus 5 is 5. Because all these are the terms which are less than 6, so I write as it is. This is then 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 1 2, 1 plus 2 3, 1 plus 3 4, 1 plus 4 5, and 1 plus 5 1. See here, 1 plus 5, 1 plus 5 is 6, but our group is integer modulo 6. So divide to addition of these two elements, 1 plus 5 6, divide and write here remainder. So 6 by 6, remainder is 0. Again this 2 plus 0 2, 2 plus 1 3, 2 plus 2 4, 2 plus 3 5, and 2 plus 4 6, remainder is 0 after dividing 6. Then 2 plus 5 7, after dividing by 6 we get remainder is 1. So this we have already calculated. So in this way I can directly write 3 4 5 6, sorry, instead of 6 there is 0 1 2, then here 4 5 0 1 2 3, and here 5 0 1 2 3 and 4. So this is a R plus is in the abelian group. So we can check here by using this table, we can show that R plus is an abelian group. Now the question is that we have to verify closure property and associative property for multiplication sign. So here 0 into 0 0, 0 into 1 we get 0, 0 into 2 we get 0, 0 into 3 we get 0 0 0. This is multiplication. Isn't it? Now 1 into 0 0, 1 into 1 1, 1 into 2 1, into 3 1, into 4 1, into 5 5. After that 2 into 0 0, 2 into 1 2, 2 into 2 4, 2 into 3 6. But our integer modulo is 6, so 6 divided by 6, remainder is 0. 2 into 4 8. So 8 divided by 6, remainder is 2. 2 into 5 10. So 10 divided by 6, remainder is 4. Look this carefully. Then multiply by 3 to this complete row. Multiply by 3 to this complete row. 3 into 0 0. 3 into 1 3. 3 into 2 3 into 2 6. But our set indicate that this is nothing but the multiplication 6 modulo, and due to the multiplication 6 modulo we again get here 0, after that 3, then 3 into 4 12, 12 divided by 6 0, and then some 3. You calculate this 2 row, I write it directly. 4 into 0 0, 4 into 4 4, 4 into 2 8 8, that means 2 0 4 2, then 0 5 4 3 2 1. Now if you check the remaining 3 properties, which properties are these for the ring? First property, R plus 6 is an abelian, first class, no doubt, this is the abelian group. Okay, second is R with respect to multiplication is satisfy the property first, closure property, yes, closure property. Okay, so from this we can observe it is the closure property satisfy. Yes. Then associative property, yes, associative property also satisfy by this. After that, there is there is a left distribution, that is A into B plus C is equal to A dot B plus A dot C, and right distributive, so that is the A plus B into C is equal to A C plus BC. So student, this set R plus 6 multiplication 6, that means R be the set of integer modulo 6 and integer modulo with respect to addition, integer modulo with respect to multiplication. This set form a ring. In next lecture we will discuss some special types of ring with or without zero divisors. The next topic will be very interesting topics and useful for the preparation of any competitive examination, from very primary basic exam to the IAS level exam. In the UPSC also, on this topic there will be some problems, some MCQs in any question pattern. So therefore, in next lecture we will study some important and special types of ring. Now student, we stop it here. Thank you.